Good evening. This episode of Georgia on Location deals with a waterfall, a rare waterfall found on Sawnee Mountain. To my knowledge, this is the first and only waterfall on Sawnee Mountain. Those of you that don't know, Sawnee Mountain is a series of two mountains located about 7, 8 miles, maybe less, north of downtown Cumming. It's about a 10-minute drive from downtown Cumming in Forsyth County, Georgia. And about 3 weeks ago, I was hiking there with my son. There's extensive trails on both mountain tops. They've added a new trail system over the last few years on the second mountain, and you'll see images and pictures of this kind of showing the difference. The most famous part of Sawnee Mountain is going to see the Indian Seats, which is awesome because when you look at the Indian Seats, you can see all of the North Georgia mountains in a panoramic view. This mountain is to the south of it. So we were up on Tower Road and exploring what looked like a stream bed in between a little ridge. So my son and I hiked up the stream bed, and lo and behold, it was a dry, what I would think was a dry waterfall. So we got a lot of rain last night, and I went out today and took some drone footage of the waterfall. It's nothing spectacular. I mean, it's two probably 6 foot maybe high waterfalls, but pretty cool on a mountain that I didn't think there would be waterfalls on. So enjoy this video clip about the waterfall on Sawnee Mountain. To get to this spot, take Highway 20 west out of Cumming for a couple miles. You'll see a big church on the right. Tower Road will be right there. Make a right on the Tower Road. Go up the road maybe half a mile or so, and then you'll see a pull off on the left. Park there.